Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
It has been a really wonderful run of weather here over the last several days. The skies have been bright, a little hazy with all that smoke out there. Temperatures have been very comfortable. In fact, chilly at night. We got down into the upper 40s again this morning, and we did that also back on Sunday morning, hitting 46 degrees. The problem with the pattern that we're in, though, is that it's really, really dry. We haven't had a drop of rain in the area in over a week. We do have some rain in the forecast over the next couple of days. Here's where we stand right now in terms of our drought. It's a local drought. It's focused over southwest Missouri, and it's really areas from about Cassville across Monette, Springfield, Republic into Ava that has been hardest hit by this local drought, where in some cases, especially here in northern Christian County, southern Greene County, we have seen less than half of the normal precipitation for the past 3 months. We've got some rain down to our south. It is spreading north. You can see the leading edge of this moisture, this cloud cover, making its way now toward northwest Arkansas. And this is the leading edge of some tropical moisture associated with Tropical Storm Beta. Now, this is not the storm that we saw last week that impacted parts of the Alabama and Florida coastline. That storm obviously came with some wind and a lot of flash flooding. This storm is generating some rain and the threat of flash flooding, but it's not generating the same kind of rain that we had last week. What it is doing is it's helping to pump some tropical moisture north from the Gulf of Mexico across Louisiana and Arkansas. And then there's a bit of a handoff. There's some upper level energy across parts of Oklahoma, and that's all going to get drawn north into our area here over the next 12 hours. Latest on Beta, you can see it's not as strong as it was yesterday. Winds yesterday were at 60 miles per hour. Winds are down to 45 miles per hour. It's still crawling toward the coastline. Looks like it will make landfall, though, between Corpus Christi and Houston sometime later tonight. And then it will crawl along the upper Texas coastline tomorrow and then make its way across Louisiana and Mississippi as we wrap up this week. And you might have seen there's some rain that will visit our area as well. Not a lot, but some, and we'll take what we can get. As far as our forecast for tonight, I expect clear skies into the evening hours. Clouds roll in, I think, around midnight or thereafter. And by tomorrow morning, we will probably have some light showers here in southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. And that threat for light showers will continue, especially across those areas throughout the day on Tuesday and continue through Tuesday night. And then also on Wednesday, we'll have the chance for some patchy light showers across especially areas near I-44 and maybe into south central Missouri and north central areas of Arkansas. Rainfall totals, again, not very impressive, but we take what we can get. It looks like generally 1/10 of an inch or less here along the interstate. The heavier amounts will fall to the south, where it looks like we could see some totals of around 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Overnight tonight, not as chilly. Clouds rolling in. You kind of get that blanket effect, and it looks like we'll see overnight lows in the upper 50s here in Springfield with highs tomorrow. Cloud and maybe shower cooled. Looks like highs in the upper 60s to the south, 70 here in Springfield with low to mid 70s north and east, where we get at least some breaks in the clouds and a bit of sunshine. And we're going to see similar readings again on Wednesday. Now later this week, temperatures do warm back up. In fact, I think low 80s once we get into Friday, mid 80s on Saturday, but the warmth is not to last, not in the pattern that we're in right now. We're going to find yet another trough developing across the eastern United States that will push a cold front through the area Saturday night into Sunday morning. Could see a little wet weather with that. Behind it, though, we will see mild temperatures once again. Not much rain expected with that cold front. And looking ahead into October, and again, we are knocking on the door. Next week, we move from September to October. We are going to find cool and dry conditions sticking around. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, near 70 for a high tomorrow. Upper 60s, I think, on Wednesday. Clearing skies on Thursday, that afternoon sun pushing temperatures into the upper 70s, low 80s Friday, mid 80s on Saturday. And then behind that cold front, we will find temperatures dropping back into the middle 70s for highs Sunday and Monday.
Okay, so the first week of fall going to be a little bit warm during the day.
Just think back to last September. I mean, we couldn't buy weather like this last September, but this September, it's certainly fall has wanted to settle in early.
It's pleasant. All right.